more you open your life up for display, the more people find ways to drag you down. But what if you could disappear for a while and come back transformed, shocking everyone with your new self? In this video, we are going to talk about how to do this the right way, focusing on three main phases: preparation, execution, and maintenance. So let's jump in. Phase 1. Preparation. Before embarking on your journey of transformation, it's crucial to prepare yourself mentally and practically. While it sounds easy enough to just start, jumping in unprepared is an easy way to fail. So how do we prepare? Number 1. Acknowledge the problem. The first step is to recognize and accept that your current habits and addictions are holding you back. Take an honest look at how you spend your time. Are you indulging in too many video games, junk food, or endless scrolling on social media? All these actions seem meaningless individually, but together they can destroy your goals. Understand that acknowledging these issues is not about self-blame, but about taking the first step towards change. You have to realize that you need to shift from being a thinker, someone who spends more time planning than doing, to a doer, someone who takes consistent action. Number 2. Commit to change. Once you've acknowledged the problem, it's time to make a firm commitment to change. Make a promise to yourself to improve. This is a personal commitment that should be unwavering. This is something you need to do for yourself, not for anyone else. By clicking on this video, you've already taken the first step to change. You also need to set yourself clear goals. Define what you want to achieve. Be specific about it. Do you want to start a business, get in shape, or develop a new skill? Write these goals down and keep them private to maintain focus and accountability. Sharing your goals too soon can lead to unnecessary scrutiny and pressure. Keep them to yourself to ensure they remain your own. Number 3. Plan your disappearance. Now it's time to plan your period of intense self-improvement. Decide on a specific period, typically a few months, where you will dedicate yourself to your transformation. This period should be long enough to make significant progress, but short enough to remain focused. You need to remember that your bad habits took time to form and are ingrained in your subconscious and require a period of deep work to offset. Only inform those who are essential to your support system, such as a supportive life partner or crucial colleagues. They can provide the encouragement you need without adding unnecessary pressure. The more people who know, the more likely you'll get dragged down. Phase 2. Execution. With your preparation complete, it's time to dive into the execution phase. Here's how to transform yourself effectively. Number 1. Keep your mouth shut. You need to learn to stop sharing details about your life with everyone, because the truth is, no one really cares, and that's good. Your mouth often betrays you a lot more than you think, as we naturally want to talk about what we're doing with those around us. It's human nature, but you need to stop. It's true that you will have trouble letting out your thoughts, but slowly you'll get used to it, and only then you will truly be able to move in the shadows. Number 2. Minimize distractions. Distractions can derail your progress and set you back a lot further than you might think. You need to become aware of what distracts you before you can tackle it. There's no point fighting an enemy you can't see. You will always lose. So sit down and think deeply about what distracts you. Write it down and then formulate a plan on how to manage them. If it's your phone, keep your phone out of your workplace. Use Do Not Disturb mode and filter notifications to only allow essential alerts. If it's more specific to social media, then consider deleting or muting non-essential social media accounts. Limit your usage to necessary interactions, like posting updates for your business or checking important messages. Number 3. Structured time management. Managing your time effectively is crucial for productivity. It's all well and good to have things to do, but it's pointless unless you set the time to do them. Use time blocking and schedule specific tasks for a set time each day. And if you are doing the same thing every day, then that's even better, because you will slowly build a routine. While yes, deep work is what we are aiming for, you need to also include regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain high productivity levels. Number 4. Maintain secrecy. Keeping your plans and progress private is essential for maintaining focus and lowering distractions. Avoid sharing your ambitions and progress with others, not your family, not your friends, and not your co-workers. Share your plans only with your life partner if you know that they truly want you to succeed. And for your sake, I really hope they do. By working for yourself, you reduce any external pressure and you maintain your focus regardless of setbacks. When maintaining secrecy, you will need to learn to only care about what you think. You will have to reprogram your brain from looking for validation from others to self-validation. Focus on your own opinion of your progress and ignore everything else. Reprogram your mind to value your own judgment over others. This builds inner strength and self-confidence as you no longer rely on anyone else's opinion. Number 5. Embrace challenges and pain. Growth comes from facing and overcoming challenges. It would be foolish to assume that you won't face any challenges and pain while going through this journey, but it's important to know that it is worth it. You need to endure challenges, pain, and setbacks privately. These moments will only build your strength and resilience, helping you grow stronger. This will require a mindset shift. Learn to enjoy the process of working in the shadows and embrace the growth and transformation that comes from overcoming these obstacles. If you are enjoying this video so far, please consider liking the video and comment down below about what's your biggest obstacles. Let's talk about it. Phase 3. Maintenance. Well done. You've made a few changes and now you've seen some progress. Now it's crucial to maintain and build on this foundation. Number 1. Review and adjust. While it's important to be consistent and keep working, you also need to regularly review your progress and make necessary adjustments. Set aside time to assess your progress. Are you moving towards your goal? What adjustments do you need to make? What is still holding you back? Once you've reviewed your progress, break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Number 2. Reprogram your mind. Continuously reinforce the idea that your happiness and success doesn't only come from achieving your goals, but also the progress you make on the way. Reprogramming your mind is essential for sustaining your transformation and ensuring lasting change. You need to learn how to use positive reinforcement. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate these moments. Did you wake up early every day this week? Did you complete a challenging task? Recognize and reward yourself for these achievements. This could be as simple as treating yourself to your favorite snack or taking a break to do something you enjoy, like watching anime. Number 3. Embrace the new lifestyle. Embrace the belief that you can improve and grow through effort and learning. Challenges are opportunities to learn and become stronger. When you encounter obstacles, view them as part of the journey rather than setbacks. Take the time to identify habits that no longer serve you and consciously replace them with healthier ones. For example, if you have a habit of mindlessly scrolling through social media, replace it with reading a book or going for a walk. This requires mindfulness and effort, but with time, the new habits will become second nature. To make this easier, surround yourself with influences that support your new lifestyle. This includes your physical environment, like a clean and organized workspace, as well as your social environments. Engage with people who inspire and motivate you, and distance yourself from those who drain your energy or encourage bad habits. Number 4. Decide on reappearance. Now that you've undergone a significant transformation, it's time to decide whether reappearing and sharing your journey is even necessary. This decision should be made thoughtfully, considering your personal goals and the impact of your transformation. If you choose to reappear, do so with confidence. Share your transformation without seeking validation from others. Your progress is your own achievement. When you decide to share your journey, do so with pride and confidence. You've worked hard to achieve your goals, and you deserve to celebrate your success. Share your story authentically, highlighting the effort and dedication it took to get to where you are. Share your transformation because you want to, not because you need others' approval. Your journey is unique to you, and while it's great to receive positive feedback, it shouldn't be the primary reason for sharing. You'll have to understand that not everyone will respond positively to your transformation. Some may be supportive, while others may be indifferent or even critical. Prepare yourself mentally for a range of reactions and stay grounded in your own accomplishments. Ultimately, the decision to reappear should come from a place of self-validation. Your progress is your own, and you should be proud of what you've achieved, regardless of whether others support it or not. By integrating these steps into a comprehensive plan, you can effectively transform yourself and achieve your goals while maintaining your progress and well-being. Remember, the only opinion that matters is yours. Keep crushing it in the shadows, and when you reappear, your transformation will shock the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and transformation. See you in the next one.